Hi, welcome back. So let's talk about, in this video we are going to discuss how to develop the ideas. How to develop the ideas can be classified in three categories: exploring the ideas, testing the ideas, and validating the ideas. Alright, so let's talk about how to explore the ideas. I don't know if you know, there is a various tool, but here I am going to give you the example of two tools which you can use to explore your ideas. One tool, I call them a brain mapping. In brain mapping, what you're doing, that you're taking in ideas, putting them in the piece of paper, putting them in the center of piece of paper, okay, and after you're drawing a line and you're putting all the element coming up related to your ideas, okay. So maybe 10, 20, 30, putting them all together. So it will give you a kind of a parachute view to look into your ideas. Alright? And it will help you to analyze your idea and make it more solid. Okay? I usually do it for making the courses. I usually do it for the courses in the universities also. So it's a very important way to look into your thoughts also. Okay, so you can use this called mind mapping, okay, to explore your ideas. Second way is, I call them a mastermind group discussion. So you have an idea, you are surrounded with the group of 4 or 5 people to whom you trust actually, okay. So you're discussing those ideas within that people, but ensure that the people are coming from different kind of background. This will help you to get a different output, but don't forget to write all the output on the paper. Okay, so once you write down different kind of different things has been expressed by your friends or by the group of people, after again you can do the same. You can have a global view of your ideas, and then you can analyze the idea and make it more concrete. Second way to explore the ideas, this is the first way. Second way to exploring the ideas, I call them look into the next day. For example, today you work on your ideas, okay, put them into the drawer, and tomorrow look into the idea again. It will give you a different perspective. You will see that the way you were thinking yesterday, it wasn't today again. You could see a lot of changes in the same ideas, okay. So again, put it again in the drawer and come back again in the third day. So do it for minimum 9 days or 9 times, maybe not in the same day, but in a different time segment. Minimum I will suggest to do a 9 times. It will help you to synthesize your idea and get something concrete out of it. Okay. So this was about exploring the ideas. Now let's talk about testing an ideas. So whether your idea is valid or not, it's very important to see whether there is a market for your idea or not. So nowadays it's very easy to see whether there is a market. The best way to see whether there is a market or not, Google Analytics. There is a number of ways, but I will suggest you the free way of looking into is get into the Google Analytics, put the keyword and see how many people, how many views are there, what is the weightage of that keywords, okay. After I can suggest you to get into the Facebook ad, okay. You don't have to subscribe the ad, it's free of cost. Get into the Facebook ad page and just put the keyword, okay, and keyword of your idea, and see how many people are liking this idea according to your target location. Is very important, okay. So if your target market is world, look into the world. If your target market is one particular department or one particular country or one particular industry, try to put it in the same way, okay, and see how many people are concerned or related to that idea or like these ideas, okay. This will give you an understanding, okay. Third way of testing your idea is getting into the customers directly. See who can be your customer and approaching your customer directly. That as a student, you can tell them that you are testing this idea and you want to see if it is solving their problems. There are proper methodology that I will explain you later on. So how to test your idea. So you can proposing the customers directly and let's see what is their reaction, if they are interested or not. Now the third stage of developing your ideas, I call them a validating. It's possible that you can see a lot of people are a lot of market on while analyzing Facebook, while analyzing Google, but it's while analyzing even the direct survey also, people can see there is a lot of potential in the idea. But this is not the final point. Final point will be validating your idea. It means that whether those people who love your ideas, is they ready to pay for idea? That's a crucial point. If they are ready to pay for get your ideas or get your solution or get your product, it means that your idea is solid. If they are hesitating to pay, you need to work out, okay. Get into something where they are ready to pay. See, I remember once one student came to me and he wanted to be a singer, and he told me that I think I sing pretty well. I got a lot of appreciation in school. I got a lot of appreciation wherever I sing. People are clapping for me, and I think I can be a singer. I say, are you sure that people really like, or they clapping because they really love it, or they just doing a formalities? To check it, I suggest him to do one thing, host a house concert kind of, okay, and ask all your friend who was clapping for you, who was encouraging you, to come and visit, but it's not free of cost. They have to pay a certain amount to attend your concert, and let's check how many people are accepting your request. If your result is more than 50%, your idea is valid. You can be a singer. So what I'd like to suggest to you here, that the same method apply for you as well. See, if you are approaching 10 people and 5 out of 10 is ready to pay, so average is 50%. So if 50% or more than 50% are ready to pay for your ideas, your idea is valid. You can make a business out of it. But if the result is less than 50%, then you need to think of it again. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.